I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 19th day of May. Big story around the nation is potential for another violent tornado outbreak over Oklahoma later today and tonight. Let's take a look at the Skycam shots around here. What a beautiful day. That's the Mount Cheaha Skycam at Cheaha State Park. Sunny with temperatures only in the low and mid 70s up there in the big mountain. Gorgeous day today. Up in Decatur, a few fluffy fair weather cumulus clouds dotting the sky. That's the Tennessee River down below. And down south, that's the Prattville Skycam, right off of Cobbs Ford Road near Interstate 65 in Autauga County, north of Montgomery. And the same deal, the sky is mostly sunny. Water vapor satellite shot, trough moving into the southern plains. All kind of trouble potentially out there, but around here we are in good shape and very comfortable. Numbers this afternoon are in the 70s. Birmingham at 77 at 2 o'clock. And some spots actually at the 40s this morning. That was fantastic. And tomorrow will be cool, but not quite as cool. But after that, the humidity and the heat begins to come back. There's the watch warning map. A lot of flash flood watches just north and west of here. West Tennessee, much of north and central Arkansas, a large chunk of Missouri, east Oklahoma in advance of the trough. And look here, high risk of severe weather. The bullseye is sitting right on top of Oklahoma City again. This has been quite a year for those folks. Surrounding that, a moderate risk down into North Texas, down around Sherman, Denison, Wichita Falls. And the slight risk as far south as Waco and as far east as Macomb, Mississippi. We'll check the STP out there real quickly, the significant tornado index. Right now running at a 2, and that's not that high. We've seen numbers just off the chart, and I think we will see those numbers skyrocket later today as the instability increases. Here's the first tornado watch just issued. This is valid until 10 o'clock tonight, and that is a PDS watch. Particularly dangerous situation. You can see it covers a large chunk of Oklahoma, including Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Ardmore, McAllister, Clinton, Gage. So we'll be watching with interest over there. Now, tomorrow, this is the risk, a standard slight risk, and by golly, now they've got parts of West Alabama in this thing. Runs all the way from Abilene, Texas to near Birmingham. But the better probabilities are off to the west. Those 30% probabilities are running from near Meridian over to Jackson, Monroe, El Dorado, and Shreveport. And again, that would be late tomorrow or tomorrow night with the northward moving warm front and the shortwave approaching. I don't think we have any major severe weather issues. And then on day 3, which is Friday, just the low-end probabilities, 5%, mainly north of us, as a widespread severe weather event is not expected. Here's a QPF chart, the new one. This is valid through Monday morning of next week at 7 o'clock. And numbers have come up a little bit for North Alabama. The bullseye is 1.2 inches near Jasper. And again, the amounts taper off greatly as you go farther south. I'm not so sure we get that much. No doubt maybe the Shoals or Huntsville, but we'll see. It's kind of a close call. We'll look at the 12Z GFS valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the shortwave off to the west. And down below that, we have a warm front that should be lifting northward during the day. The model is suggesting the better rain during the day will be a little west of here, over West Tennessee and Mississippi. Then we'll go to tomorrow night just after midnight. This is 1 a.m. Friday. And again, that's where we could see some scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm around here. And looks like a pretty mean line of storms developing off to the west through Arkansas and the Arklatex region. And then Friday at midday, that batch of storms really passing north of us. And again, we'll kind of catch the trailing end of that. So could there be a few showers around Friday? Absolutely. But will it rain all day? No. So again, we'll mention scattered showers and storms primarily tomorrow night and Friday. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, the deeper moisture axis really off to the east. And while there could be a shower, it sure looks like much of that day will be dry with readings approaching 90. And Sunday, the ridge builds with a big trough out west. And I do think we hit 90 on Sunday. And again, you can see down below that, not much there. So I think a mostly dry weekend, pretty warm. Highs up there between 88 and 91. And any showers should be very isolated. Monday of next week, same thing. Deeper moisture north and east of here. Tuesday, very much like summer, warm, muggy, a few spots maybe catching an afternoon shower or storm. In Wednesday, ridging all over the east. Big trough out west. Winds aloft here are light and variable. And again, if we have any showers on Wednesday, it would be the air mass type showers in the afternoon. Otherwise, partly sunny, warm, and humid. Into the forecast, June the 4th. A relatively weak flow across the continent, and down below that, nothing overly exciting. Much like early June should look like there. Warm, muggy, and again, maybe a shower in spots. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.